Basic Library. In this video, we'll be learning how to make a ring. So let's talk about what materials you'll need. Some jewelry wire, a bead, wire cutters, which you can see on the right, and needle nose pliers on the left. Now during the week this video is being posted, which will be Wednesday, May 26, 2021, we will have some take-home teen craft kits for this craft. The kit will contain a cut piece of jewelry wire and a bead. You will need to supply the tools. The kits will be available while supplies last. Okay, so we're going to make our ring, and this is what it'll look like when we're done. Okay, so I have some jewelry wire, and I have some beads to choose from. These are going to be the beads that are in the take-home craft kits. Alright, so what we have to do is we start with what size is your ring going to be, right? So if you're making it for yourself or somebody else, you have to think about that. If you have a ring sizer, that's great. I don't have a ring sizer, so I have other things that I can use. I can use a paintbrush. This is about the size of maybe my finger. I have this pencil, maybe somebody with larger hands, you know. Or if you got smaller hands, you can use something else. You can use a wooden stick or something like that. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to use this. Okay, so I have my jewelry wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the beginning. So here's the beginning. And I am actually going to roll out a good sized piece, because you want to make sure it's big enough. This is where I'm going to need a tool. I'm going to need what are called wire cutters. Okay? Don't use scissors, it will break your scissors. Alright, so I'm going to cut the piece, be careful. So let me get a bead. I'm going to choose this purple one. Now you can use bigger beads, whatever you want to use, if you're making it at home yourself with your own supplies. Alright, so this bead has a hole in it. So I'm going to thread this wire through the hole. I'm going to put it about in the center of the wire, okay? So it's about in the center there. Now what I'm going to do is take my pencil here, and I am going to place the bead on the pencil here. Okay, I'm going to wrap one side of the wire around. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap the other wire around. Okay, depends on how you want the ring to look. You can overlap whichever way you want. And then tighten it. I'm tightening it just a little bit. Alright. Now that that's done, I'm going to slide it off my pencil. And this is what I'm left with. You can always shape the wire to be more round if you need it to. Alright, so these two pieces are going to wrap around the bead, okay? You kind of see how they are with this ring. Alright, we're just going to wrap. You may have to kind of hold it to where you can keep that round ring shape. I'm going to push this out of my way for now. This is jewelry wire, so it's very flexible. And I'm just wrapping it around a couple times. Okay, so I'm going to take my other piece, and I'll probably wrap it the same way, the same direction. Or, no, you can do opposite. You know, whichever works for you. I think it'll look better opposite on this one. So, okay. So this is what we got now. Okay. So now we have this extra wire, right? So what we're going to do is take this wire and I'm going to push it through the ring. Now, let's see. You can use, if it's smaller, you can use another tool. I'm able to do it with my fingers because this is pretty large, but these are needle nose pliers, okay? These are really handy for holding onto wire, gripping wire, okay? And I might need them in a minute, we'll see, to tighten it. Okay, I'm gonna keep wrapping. A few times. We want it nice, and you might have to fix your bead a little bit. Alright, time for the other side. Just wrapping it around the edges there. Wrap the edges here, okay? I'm going to push my bead up a little bit more. You can see it kind of, or if you like that look, you can go with that too. If you like more wire on top, it's all up to you how you want to make your ring. It does kind of look pretty where you can see it through the wire. Okay. Alright, so now I need to cut off the extra wire. So this is where my wire cutters come in again. And cut a little piece off. Okay, and do the same to the other side. Okay, and my needle nose pliers come into play here because this is where I'm going to take the edges. See, I've got these little sharp edges. You can see that wouldn't be comfortable. So I'm going to wrap them around the ring. We do not want it to hurt us or whoever you're giving it to. So now it's tight. Okay, so let's just do the other side. Wrap the second side so your ring is done. Again, if you want to push on the metal a little, you're welcome to, but I think it kind of looks cool like that too. Stay tuned for some suggested reads about jewelry making. Here are some suggested reads if you're interested in making jewelry with beads. All of these are available for checkout from the Northwest Regional Library System. We also have books on how to make other types of jewelry as well. Thank you. Please subscribe.